Hey guys, welcome back to my channel English Guru. Today we discuss how to talk at airport. Airport check-in counter. Good morning, can I check in for flight 347 to London, please? Good morning. Certainly. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please? Absolutely. Thank you. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, just this one. Your flight departs from gate 17 at 11:30 a.m. Great, thanks. Is there a carry-on size limit? Yes, there is. You can find all the information about baggage allowances on our website. Okay, thanks for letting me know. You're welcome. Your flight is currently boarding group 2, so you have some time to relax before heading to the gate. Sounds good. Is there anywhere good to grab a coffee near here? Yes, there's a cafe right across from this counter, past the security checkpoint. Perfect, thanks again. You're very welcome. Have a safe and enjoyable flight. Security checkpoint. Good morning, officer. Good morning. Please place your belongings in the tray, including your phone and jacket. You're all set. Please proceed. Announcement. Attention passengers flying to London on flight 347. Please begin boarding at gate 17. Group 3 is now boarding. Looks like it's almost my turn. Scene, boarding the plane. Good morning, welcome aboard. Good morning, thanks. Your seat is 23C, down the aisle to the right. Enjoy your flight. Thank you, you too. Remember, be polite and respectful when interacting with airport staff and fellow passengers. Speak clearly and slowly, especially if you are not a native speaker of English or Hindi. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Most airport staff are happy to assist you. By learning these basic phrases, you can navigate the airport with confidence and ease, regardless of the language spoken around you.